I was planning to do a tutorial on setting up MAME and Maximus Arcade, but after working on it off and on for the past few days, I've realized I'm not an expert. I just don't know enough to be an authority. I got my setup running, but that took some effort. Maximus Arcade, on the other hand, is very easy to set up, and there are already other tutorials on it. I will find a tutorial for MAME and Maximus Arcade and include it in the description. I do still want to show you how my computer starts just by turning on the power strip. This is a setting in your BIOS on your motherboard. You'll have to access these settings right when the PC is starting. Most motherboards will require you to press F2, F10, F12, or the delete button. Once you're in this menu, find the power management setting and change the option to make the computer start as soon as power is received. The wording may be a little bit different. You can see mine here on the screen, and that's what you want to go for. Check your PC or motherboard manual for how to do this if you're still having trouble. If you don't have either manual, look at your motherboard. You'll likely find the model number and you can just Google it. Hopefully the videos linked will be helpful. If you're still having trouble setting up MAME or Maximus Arcade, leave a comment and I will do my best to help. If you need to shut down your PC without opening your arcade cabinet, check out the video in the description or in the right corner of your screen right now. I'll also link to the button in the description. You may need to check your power settings in the control panel once you've installed the button. Go to the control panel, Power Options, then on the top left, click Choose what the power button does. You want the drop-down box to say Shut Down. Then click Save Changes. Your button should now shut down your PC. If you're still having trouble with it, you need to be sure you've plugged the button into the proper pins on your motherboard. Again, you'll want to check your manual for that. I can't really help without actually being there and seeing the pins, and I would probably have to check the manual myself. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.